Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of buying your first Bitcoin. As the world's first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has gained immense popularity over the years. However, for beginners, the process of purchasing Bitcoin can seem daunting. Don't worry, we'll break it down into simple, manageable steps first. Let's discuss why you might want to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin offers a new way to invest, providing opportunities for portfolio diversity and potential growth. It's also used for transactions, particularly in regions with limited banking infrastructure. Understanding your reasons for buying Bitcoin will help you make informed decisions throughout the process and potential growth. It's also used for transactions, particularly in regions with limited banking infrastructure. Understanding your reasons for buying Bitcoin will help you make informed decisions throughout the process. Before you buy Bitcoin, you need a secure place to store it. This is where Bitcoin wallets come in. There are several types of wallets: hardware wallets, software wallets, mobile wallets, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your Bitcoin offline, providing the highest level of security. Software wallets are applications you install on your computer or smartphone, offering convenience and accessibility. Mobile wallets are apps specifically designed for mobile use. Wallets involve printing your Bitcoin keys on a physical piece of paper. Choose a wallet that balances security and convenience based on your needs. Next, you need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. When selecting an exchange, consider factors like security features. It's essential to choose an exchange with a good reputation and robust security measures to protect your investment. Once you've chosen an exchange, you need to create an account. This usually involves providing personal information and verifying your identity. The verification process might require you to submit documents like a government-issued ID and proof of address. This step is crucial for security and compliance with regulation. To buy Bitcoin, navigate to the trading section of your chosen exchange. You'll typically find options to buy Bitcoin using market orders or limit orders. A market order buys Bitcoin at the current market price, while a limit orders the exchange to your wallet. Keeping your Bitcoin on the exchange exposes it to potential security risks, such as hacking. By transferring it to your wallet, you ensure greater by your wallet and exchange to complete the transfer. As a Bitcoin owner, it's important to stay informed about the cryptocurrency market. Prices can be volatile, influenced by various factors like regulatory news, market trends, and technological advancements. Keep an eye on reliable news sources and consider joining cryptocurrency communities to stay updated. Finally, remember to secure your investment. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor measures, avoid sharing your private keys, seed phrases with anyone, as these provide access to your Bitcoin. Buying your first Bitcoin is a significant step into the world of cryptocurrency. By following these steps, exchange, funding your account, buying Bitcoin, securing your investment, you can confidently make your first purchase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides on navigating the world of cryptocurrency.